All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the shop. Here again we have a 2011 Audi A4. It's underpowered. Suspecting the turbo is bad, but let's read the codes first and go from there. Ignition's on. You can always press this little reset button. Audi. Now I know this car already has an underboost code. Select engine. Launch. Pro Mini. Amazing. Quick and easy. Costs about 800 bucks. So let's see. Read these codes. Turbo, supercharger, underboost, active. Alright, so before you go off replacing the turbo, but most likely you will need a turbo regardless. It's 2011. It's already got the upgraded diverter valve. So it's instead of a rubber diaphragm, it's a piston style. So that's most likely not bad. This car does have over 100,000 miles, and this turbocharger does look like it's on its last leg. Anywho, you could always grab yourself. Now, what I like to do sometimes before I go off replacing the turbo is grab yourself a pry bar. I removed the intake just to kind of make it easier to see what I'm doing. Put it behind the seat shield and find this cooling line. Place the pry bar right up against that wastegate bracket, and grab yourself a hammer. And all you're going to be doing is, as you hit it with the hammer, it's going to push this wastegate forward towards fans. So if you push it out that way, it will then I'll show you on here in this turbo. So basically what I'm explaining to you is that as you push this forward, this bracket, see how this guy has all this play. So when you pull this forward towards the fan just slightly, there's no more play. So it seals up the wastegate. That sometimes does help, sometimes it doesn't. In this case it didn't help. I'm not sure what's going on with this turbo, to be honest. Also could have a bad wastegate control solenoid. So we could test that out basically just by putting power to this connector. Obviously disconnect the solenoid, and then if you do have a little pigtail, just kind of put power to it. Also remove the line that goes to the turbocharger on the boost side, because that's how it works. It runs off the boost. Now you could connect compressed air to this and then activate the solenoid. You could use, like I said, either a 12-volt supply, or if you have a launch or a VACCOM to activate that solenoid, you could do that just to see if the solenoid is working correctly. We will be testing this wastegate, and then get back to you shortly.